Good morning, DJ. It's Thursday, July 10th. The time is currently 9:17 a.m. What's good, DJ? Yeah. Trying to wake up still. I don't even know. I was very tired this morning. But anyway, woke up today. I woke up actually before my 7:30 alarm, which has been happening a lot recently. That's because it'd be like so bram, like why this alarm hasn't gone off already? Because usually I have a 7:15 and then I have 7:30, but I don't know what happened, but the 7:15 doesn't go off anymore. So it's just the 7:30, and then I'll be like, I feel light outside. Is this alarm going to go off? But anyway, I woke up today at 7:24, went back to sleep, woke up when my alarm went off, snoozed that bitch, went back to sleep, woke up at 7:40. Um, was still tired. It was very hard for me to get up today. I really had to talk myself into getting up. I'm like, the easiest thing to do right now, Alice, is continue to sleep. We don't do easy things. Let's get up. So yeah, I officially got up at like around like 8. Okay, so did get to do my morning routine, okay? I'm hydrating now, but I wrote down my goals. I read, I stretched, I meditated. Okay, arrived on my desk just when I started this, which was 9:17. As always, my weekly target is 5% and my daily target is $500. Um, mental check-in, other than a little bit of tiredness still inside. Generally I'm okay. All right, excited to see what price action has in store for us today. Excited to grow and get 1% better. Risk disclaimer, I accept any risk that comes with trading today understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the game. So we have news today. We had high impact news come out at 8:30. We have medium impact news coming out at 10:30. Okay, so we have news today, so it makes it an optimal day to take a trade. Risk going into today is 5 for pro trend trade, 3 for counter trend trades. If I do trade on the combine, it'll be 2 and 3. All right, so that's how that's going down. Weekly program, we're in a buy program this week. Okay, let's go ahead and review price action overnight to see if anything's happened to change that. Came back in here. Weeks do the damages. Bodies tells a story. Bodies are staying well above the BISI here. Okay, so show me that price might want to continue higher. Take these volatility highs, all right, into dig further down, dig further deep into this inefficiency up here. Okay, but still, dollar overall, right, is in a sell program. All right, is in risk on scenario. All right, seeing a bit of a retracement. Okay, could potentially want to retrace into the premium of the 20-day look back period. Okay, so this. If we get past this, all right, this is my next draw on liquidity there on. Oh yeah, if we get past the 4 hour as well, take these highs into here. Okay, MNQ. All right. Like I said yesterday, I want to see this fair value gap, which becomes an inversion fair value gap in my model. Okay, I want to see it keep price higher. All right, and as you can see, it's doing that. The bodies are staying right at the upper portion of that inversion fair value gap, suggesting that it's strong. Okay, because the wicks do the damages, bodies tell the story, right? So bodies are telling me that price wants to continue higher. So as far as my current understanding of price action goes, nothing's really happened in price to change my weekly program for me. If anything, it's kind of confirming my weekly program, all right? So we shall continue with our trade routine. What comes next, DJ? You tell me what comes next. Doing this so long, you should know what comes next, DJ. Oh, did I do yeah, I did do PM, so I should have lunch. I just need London, Asia, and PM session. So London is the same. Low is the same. Same there. High is the same. PM session is the same as well. Where's PM session low? All right, PM session low. It's the only difference right now. Cool, cool, cool. Excuse me. Um, let's get into it then. Are you blaming on me or not? We weren't crying. Just trying to be your everything. Nobody, nobody like you do, you do. Two. All right, so we have one, two, three. So we can extend that here. Two. 5:08 p.m. to 12 p.m. Nobody, nobody like you do, you do. Breaking our dealing range to the buy side there. So we're in premium. Not looking like gonna be a big gap there. Right now is below price. Okay, so it's a premium gap up. Ding, 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 ding. Yep. Opening bell. Oh, it's 10:30 and it's medium impractical. Off you pop. Mhm. I don't like that. And there's nothing there now anyway, so fair. See what 1 minute has in store. Didn't freeze, right? What's going on? Two, three, four. I don't know what's going on, but this shit keeps freezing and I don't like that. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow. What's going on? Come on. This is serious things here. Ooh, ooh. My stomach. Entry really should be here, but I don't like the risk. Even right here, I don't like the risk. I want to go with constant encouragement, but I don't know what's going on. I can't even focus on the screen because my shit keeps freezing. Bloody hell. I cannot do this. This is too much. Uh, Oh, mate. I'm okay with this going without me, which is what's happening. So that's what happens. You risk not being in the trade, and you have to be okay with it, you know? All right, it's gone without me. I'm fine with that. Yeah. This shit is crazy. About to take London sell side. Smash. Breaking out dealing range to the sell side there. The taking buy side of the dealing range. Lovely stuff. Lovely, lovely stuff. Taking PM session on 15-minute. You have lunch and AM session below price. Hello, close my order, please. Thank you. Don't piss me off. Ooh, I will take it though. Order filled. Accept the risk here. I know there's a lower liquidity, so it's a very high chance that I could be taken out here. And I'll be okay with it. Order filled. Thank you. Saw that coming a mile away. But fair trade. Ooh, I need to go. I need to go, DJ. To bust a good one. Got one more trade in me here. Just about waiting on the time now. Sure, of course, it's hot out here in the streets. Don't watch the hair, DJ. Don't watch it. All right, traded 2 and through. See if he gives me another opportunity. Two, three, four. Last entry on the 15 seconds. Might be moving to 30. 2, 3, 4. Yep.
Order filled.
$16.50. $16.50. Accept the risk here. Should I wait till post 10:15? Probably should have. It's all good though. 16. Let's go lower. It needs to go. Yep. It's gonna take me out. Accept it.
Order filled.
Thank you. Fair trade, fair loss. Oh, one more in me. Sell model and discount. Last one here, folks. DJ, last one here. Yeah, I hate when it does that.
Order filled.
I want to see if price disrespect that. Needs to take this buy side here. Another entry down there. Don't need to draw them all on.
Order filled.
Thank you very much. Kind of covered the first loss. Just need to not say it's my last trade, right? 'Cause, shut up, girl. 'Nobody like you do, you do.' 10 o'clock, 9:30. Confirmed. I don't know what's going on with this internet, or is it the computer? I don't know what it is, but something's got to give here. Let's adjust dealing range since we got a permanent low here. Oh my God. Maybe two partials. Probably should take something in there too if it's like opposite as well. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, because usually that's where. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Are you blaming on me when I'm the main one? Just trying to be everything. Let me know if I can go, do the things that us human needs to do. I'll be here, bro.
Market is open.
Mhm. Ooh, what's the high of this? 6,750. That wasn't even close. Order filled.
Order filled.
Thank you. All right, DJ. BRB. All right. It looked like you still would have been kept in that trade there. And this is why I want to be moving to break even at 2 when I build more confidence. But another trade did it tag, would they have tagged you in? And negative -1 would have tagged you in right here. And there you go. All right, all right, all right. Oh, 30 seconds looks even cleaner. Look nice. Mm. Feel like a weight just lifted, you know? Ooh-wee. You're Bob Miami. Mhm. -2 would have been hit there. Yeah. Nobody like you do, you do. How you feeling? Hey, one time. Just trying to be your everything. Hi, DJ, we'll be getting out here soon. I'll do a trade performance review in a second. Powerful, man. Powerful trader I'm becoming. Woo-wee! Second partial there. Not yet though. I'm not there where I can move it yet. Not yet. Let's build some more confidence and then I'll be adjusting to breaking even a second partial on pro trend trades. So brilliant trade. Lovely. Lovely jubbly. Lovely jubbly. I love my trading now. I love it. Still a few things I need to iron out, but I'm in a good place, in my opinion. I'm in a good place. Like even the trades I'm not in, I'm very excited to witness them. I love, like even this morning, right? I'm like, okay, fair enough, right? I was okay accepting not being tagged in, right? Just because I wanted to put the risk first, because obviously this account was already down bad, right? Oh, it's supposed to be two anyway, no? Yeah, it wasn't supposed to be three. It's supposed to be two because it's a counter trend trade. And it's 3 and 2 on that one. So that was my fault. I'm happy I didn't get in there though. But yeah, entry would have been here, but obviously I wanted to get in here and you risk not being tagged in. Fair. Trade gave you two partials. Well, I'm gonna start including this in it as a partial as well for the counter trend trades. So 1, 2, 3, failed to make 4. All right. Yeah. And one thing I also not noticed, but Um, okay, I guess where I fell short. Let's do my trade performance review because I know where I fell short today in the chart wise. So I want to talk about it, DJ. What I did well today is that I showed up, okay? I got 1% better. I gained experience and I learned lessons that I'll take into my next session. Okay. Followed my model, my procedures and protocols. All right. Didn't deviate from it. So I'm very happy and pleased with myself about that. Pat yourself on the back, baby girl. You did good. No worries. It came and took me out for break even and then carried on higher. That's the point I made earlier. Well, before, right? Like I want to get to the point where I can give the trade room. And that's why we adjusted our counter trend trade management a little bit so we can give the trade room, right? So same needs to be done for the potion trade, but I'm not at the point where I can do that yet. Okay. Maybe starting Q4. Let's finish Q3 out, how we have it set out, okay, and then potentially Q4, and then ending of this year, I can obviously, by then I feel like I would have, gained more experience and be more comfortable, or like not comfortable, like confident in my model set up and losses, okay. But right now I'm still not, and I'm just being honest, right? I'm still not, and I know it's the only thing promised to me. I don't like it, and yeah, it is what it is. It's honesty. But yeah, so. Where I fell short today, would be not getting up when I should have got up. All right, I kind of like laid around too much. It was so hard for me to get up this morning. But anyway, I fell short there. Where I fell short in chart wise, right, is right. I know that 9:30 to about before 10:15, let's say 10:10. All right, yeah, it's right here. 9:30 to 10:10. 9:30 to 10:10, usually will get, one setup, right? That will either go up or go down, right? This is a perfect buy day. It's a beginning, it drops, takes liquidity, and then want to see it go higher, which we'll see if it goes higher or not. But the drop, obviously some days will allow you to partake in it, which it did, but obviously I wasn't in it because I wanted a higher entry. um just for risk purpose, right? So anyway, where I fell short, right, would be getting into this trade, understanding and knowing that, okay, I have from 9:30 to 10:10 for one setup, right? Potentially I should have waited till post, um not potentially, I should have waited till post 10:15, okay, to anticipate another setup, all right, which were giving me this trade here, instead of again into this trade here, still during that 9:30 to 10:10 period, right? Even this trade would have been fine, okay, I wouldn't have minded again into this trade here, because it can start as early as 9:50, okay, the next setup, I mean, but obviously 9:50 had already given us another sell, okay, so which was telling us that obviously price wanted to go down a little bit more. So I would say where I fell short is time wise, right? In my periods of taking trades, I have 9:30 to 10:10, 10:15 to 11:10 for the morning session. So I should have waited till post 10:15 to take a trade. After taking this L here, I should have just I should just waited. I shouldn't even have been in this trade here. Okay. Even oh shit. Even if it had panned out, I should have just nothing wrong with just tape reading and watching it, right? And wait until to see if 10:15 offers us something. All right. Didn't mind the post 10 o'clock trade here. Wouldn't have minded that. And then this one is what we got in. Either way, this one I shouldn't even have been in it, to be fair. All right, to be frank. After taking a loss during this time period, right? I should have waited till the next time period to anticipate a setup. And if I didn't get a setup, then I didn't get a setup. I would be ending the morning on a loss, and that's fair. I'm fine with that. I accept it. Okay. Don't like it, but I accept it. But that's where I think I fell short. I don't know if it made sense, my explanation, DJ, but I know where I fell short, all right? And that's not waiting till the time and then price, right? I have my time period. Yeah, even this loss and this loss, right? Two losses in that period, that should have been it. Then I should have waited till 10 post 10:15 and not even have traded this one. So I fell short today. I'm not gonna lie to you, DJ. Looking back at it in hindsight, right? I should have waited till post 10:15, and obviously I would be in this trade right now, which would give me second partial and would be going on, right? So that's on me there. That's on the trader. I understand. I accept it. That's something I have to take into the next session, the next day. Okay, just understand that if you one loss per a trade, not per two losses per a period, right? If I've taken two losses per period, no more trades during that period. Just wait till the next time period, okay, to then anticipate a setup there. So yeah, that's on me there. Yeah, we're not giving them nothing there. But even if price is going to continue lower, right? This trade would have been much better, all right, than the initial trade I was in, the trade I was in. Okay, just from it giving me second partial, right? No qualms whatsoever. Just straight short there. But yeah, so that's why I fell short today. But good lesson to learn though. Good lesson to learn. And to take into our next trading session there. Boom. Yeah, this one, yeah, and we had lower liquidity below it. So yeah, that that one was impulse. That was me like feeling some type of way maybe about not being in this trade potentially. I don't know, but trying to figure out why I would take a trade. And I even said that I understand that there's a lower thing, but that one is 50-50 for me because sometimes it doesn't have to take that low, right? It can create a relative equal low for a later date or a later time, right? And yeah, that one is rocky for me. Sometimes I take it, sometimes I don't. You cannot trade profitably with just one strategy. Yes, you can. Anyway, um, yeah. So this was definitely avoidable. This would have been a fair loss. Okay, fair trade because yeah, this one was fair, and then would have gone one, two, yeah. These two should have been the only two trades I took during that time period. Not this one. Understood. And then post 10:15, we get this beauty of a setup here. It'll be up a little bit above comish. And even if it comes now and takes you out, it's giving you two partials, right? So okay, so how can we improve for next day, next trading session is be aware of the period of the time periods, right? Understand that obviously the set period is what am I trying to say here? From 9:30 to 10:10, we know we're gonna get a one-sided, like one side of the market, right? It can the other side can start as early as 9:50, all right, to post 10:15. But obviously that was not the case here for today. All in all, what I'm trying to say, DJ, is that after taking a loss in one time period, right? Just wait till the next time period, okay, to depending on the amount of loss you took, right? And if you had something, yeah, if you had more to play with, right? If you had more risk to play with, then obviously you could take another trade. But obviously, I still had a little bit more to play with, so that's why I went back in. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is that one loss per period, and if you're in that time frame, is like 10:50 to 10:10, it gives you a setup. Fair enough, you can get in. But if you take a loss, there are two losses max per a time period, and then you're waiting for the next. Yes, simple. Let's keep it like that. Two losses per a time period, and you're waiting for the next time period to anticipate a setup to get back into the market there. So I need to write that down somewhere, and that's how I'll be doing it moving forward. But yeah, and how else I can improve for next day, next trading session is just keep doing what I've been doing. Okay, you're doing great. Don't let short-term adversity deviate from what you got going on. Keep collecting data. Keep seeking ways to improve. All right, and get 1% better. Seeking that excellence, right, in my trading. That's what I'm looking for. But yeah, so yeah, overall, I'm very happy and pleased with my performance today. Wouldn't change anything about it, really and truly. Losses that leads to lessons, right? As long as I'm learning from my losses, it's not a loss. So let's get that down. Just trying to be your everything, main one. I ain't paying on me when I'm the main one. Um. Oh, let's put it here. Two losses per time period. Yeah, I think that, yeah, I love that. That's perfect. So that would have been looking back at this morning then. Yeah, 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 yeah. This trade definitely shouldn't have taken that, right? At that point, if it's all the way down in here, wait till post 10 o'clock and then, right. Okay, cool. So, oh yeah, yeah, all right. And then this would have been a fair loss, and then this would obviously made back this loss here. Yeah, I think it would have made this loss back here. Yep, 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 yep. Because that first loss, well, the second loss. What was the second loss? 175. Yeah, would have made a majority of it back. So yeah, I'll be down what $40 or something on the day rather than 191. So yeah, just trying to minimize that drawdown as much as possible. I know I cannot avoid it, but I'm just looking at ways that I can be a better analyst, a better trader. All right, seeking that excellence in my trading. Um, yeah, and just trying to get 1% better, really and truly. So still would be yeah. Yeah. And that's yeah, so that's how I can improve. And it's been an amazing morning. I love it. It's a mine or not mine, but like this is a perfect buy day. Okay, we're in a buy program and a perfect buy day. What we want to see, right? We want to see is gonna some we want to see price drop, all right, and then we want to anticipate our setup. So that drop down, sometimes it can offer us an opportunity to get in, which it did here. Okay, sometimes it doesn't, it just goes without you. Okay, then that's fine. And then obviously time period you're anticipating the buy. So it might not, this might just be it on the buy side here, and it might continue down. Still, that's enough. That's enough for me, right? To get something out of the market there. So yeah, very eventful morning. All right, very educated morning as well. I learned a lot from this morning. Okay, that will make me 1% better for my next session for my next day. So I'm very happy and pleased with that. Ending the morning down, okay, but that's fine. Okay, so I'm not even stressed to buy. I'm not worried about it. Yeah, just go keep doing what I've been doing. All right, keep sticking to my model procedures and protocols and don't deviate from like, like it's proven to you to work. So just do what you have written down, okay? It's fine, it's good. You're Gucci Gucci. All right, DJ, that's it for me. I'll catch you in the PM session. Okay. No news during the PM session to make note, just a bunch of FOMC members speaking. But nothing of major note. But we've had news today. Okay, still makes an optimal day to take a trade during the PM session. So we'll be back here in the PM session. Oh, okay, okay. Dollar shot up there. Took that liquidity, dug deeper into the inefficiency like I wanted to see it do. Okay. Wicks do the damages, the bodies tell the story. It also even left a little portion of this 4 hour BC open, okay, showing signs of strength to the upside. So all right, I'm getting better, I can see a little improvement. I'm seeing it. Um, yeah, still want to see this inversion fair value gap keep price higher. All right, so until point and this between this high and this high, until this low goes, I still want to see this inefficiency keep price higher. So yeah, 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 yeah. Mm, 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 mm. 5 minute buy, 5 minute buy. Double. Yeah. All right, DJ. You know what it is, what it is, what it isn't. I'm the trader signing out. Good luck, good trading. Happy hunting.